Okay guys, we have pulled the carp out of the brine. I will post the recipe for the brine that I use in the description of the video. So I did not remove the mud vein. Most of these were a pound to, maybe 3 pounds max. I also cut the gills, bleed them out in the water, and then immediately fillet them, put them on ice while I'm still fishing. And so that, along with the 2 tablespoons of vinegar in the brine, seems to take away or negate any of the bad flavors that people tend to get from the mud vein or the blood vein. So anyways, we've taken it out of the brine. It's been in the brine for 15 hours, almost 16 hours. You can go anywhere from 12 hours to 24, just really depends on your taste buds for the salt level. So I am leaving them in the oven on the rack to get the nice sticky tacky feeling, so the smoke will adhere better. I'll probably leave them in here anywhere from 4 to 6 hours, and then I will get the smoker ready and get our smoke on. So anyways, I will keep you guys updated. Okay, these are ready to go into the smoker. They could stand to be out a little bit, but see how they have that shiny, it's a sticky texture now. You just kind of want it just tacky. But they are ready to go in the smoker. I've got the smoker set at 200 degrees. I will probably do anywhere between 6 and 10 hours, maybe more. Just gonna have to really feel for it. It really depends on what temperatures are outside, things like that, a lot of different variables, but 200 degrees. Okay, so it's up to temperature. I'm getting ready to put the wood chips on, but first I just want to take and just spray with this just non-stick vegetable oil, or any type of oil, just to make sure that the fish doesn't stick to the grills there. The carp is a very fatty fish, which makes it great for smoking, but anyway, also put that down there to catch the dripping. So I will keep you guys posted. Okay, so the fish are loaded. I tried to put the larger fish on the bottom closer to the heat source so they get done sooner, then medium, then the smaller fillets. So we'll add the wood chips and we'll shut the door and get it smoking. Okay, these are getting close. We've been in for 7 hours. Top ones are really close, but I like to see them actually start to split up here. I also like mine drier, kind of more of a jerky, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna probably leave them in for another hour or two, probably dump it down to 180, add a little bit more chips on there to smoke. So anyways, we will get a few more hours. Okay, so I think we're gonna call this good. You can see how it's starting to split up here. Obviously these smaller pieces are done quite well. Bigger pieces, a little bit smaller, or a little bit less, but still splitting. They should be good. So anyways, we'll call it good, and we will vacuum seal each one individually, throw them in the freezer, and store them. So take them out for hunting and different occasions. Okay, so I wanted to give you a better look at it in the light. You can see how it kind of splits down the middle. I've already started to dig into it. It's just too good, but you can see that it's a nice white flesh, nice and nice firm. Kind of jerkies in this thinner rib area. You can see somebody wants some. She's trying real hard to get some, huh? It really is good if you'll give it a chance. I promise you won't be disappointed. If you actually look at what they eat, they're actually really clean. Eat a lot of vegetation, more vegetarians than anything. So obviously they do eat some meat, but anyways, give it a shot. I promise you won't be disappointed. It tastes phenomenal, and if you do a blind taste test with some friends and family, I guarantee they will have no idea that it's carp. That stuff is good. Honestly, it is a good mixture between trout and salmon. It's just a good fish to smoke. So anyway, enjoy fishing and enjoy the fruits of your labor.